2 years ago, on my way to swim practice, sitting in a traffic light, looked in my rearview mirror and saw a car that was about ready to hit me. I was sitting still, and they estimated she was going 50 miles an hour. Smashed into the back of my truck, pushed me into the intersection. By the time, we got the cars moved over to a bank parking lot adjacent to the intersection, after it was all said and done, my brain didn't feel right. Long story short, was given a traumatic brain injury, spinal cord stuff, some neck stuff. After that, I suffered in silence for a couple of months and was trying to get through it on my own. And a good buddy of mine who happens to be an attorney, and he said, well, who's your representation on the lawsuit? And I said, I don't have representation. There is no lawsuit. As time went by, the frustration kicked in because I had to quit my coaching job, couldn't work. I could barely function, to be honest with you. The body we could fix. The brain stuff was the hard part because my brain and my hands no longer talk to one another. That was another wonderful thing that Zinda did for me, in me in touch with these specialists that, that truly cared. My case could have possibly been ruined had my buddy John not got me in touch with Zinda. If anything happens to you in a situation and you feel as if you have a story to tell and you feel as if you're not being represented, I beg you, plead you, seek out a Zinda. If I needed something, I just called, and it was handled. And it was handled like that. After 2 months of suffering in silence, within 5 days, the ball was rolling, and I was getting help. I immediately felt better. I was wronged. Zinda made it right. The help that I got from you guys, I'm going to use these people for the rest of my life. But yeah, man, I appreciate you guys. I'm happy to do this because I do have a story to tell, and I'm not alone.